Hey everyone, and welcome to the preview for Steam Trains Galore 13. In this edition of Steam Trains Galore, we'll visit another 6 steam locomotives. We'll travel all over the US in this video, mostly focusing on some of the larger steam locomotives that are still in operation. Included in this video is the return of the Union Pacific 4014 Big Boy, as well as my first time ever showing the long-anticipated Reading, Blue Mountain and Northern number 2102 in Pennsylvania. We will also make a stop off in the Midwest to visit the Lumberjack Steam Train in Wisconsin and Frisco number 1630 at the Illinois Railway Museum. There may be a few other surprises in store as well. With all that said, here's a quick look at what I have planned for Steam Trains Galore 13. And that's the preview for Steam Trains Galore 13. Thanks for joining me for this quick look at what's coming down the line in just a few weeks. Make sure to stop by on November 28th at 9 a.m. Pacific time for the full video. As always, a special thanks to all my supporters on Patreon. What new steam locomotive are you the most excited to see in this year's Steam Trains Galore? Post a comment in the comment section and let me know. Are you a newcomer to the channel? To receive alerts whenever I post to YouTube, click on the subscribe button and ring the bell. You can always stop by every Friday for a brand new railroading adventure right here on the YouTube channel. That's it for now. Until next time, I'm Mike Armstrong. I'll see you down the line. Thanks for watching.